Florida has two different licenses, mold testing and mold remediation. Due to conflict of interest, you can't use the same company for both jobs. This technician is a part of the mold remediation team getting ready to work. And this is your mold testing assessor that provides a non-biased scope of work, which is called a protocol. A protocol is a report that provides information on what type of mold exists in the property, the level of mold spores, and the area in which the mold is located. What you see here is the assessor executing various testing methods and the equipment used to do so. This will help us better determine how to execute your specific project. Once we have the scope of the project, we provide an estimate of work. Once this is done, you should have a conversation with your mold assessor on whether you can stay in the property or not while the project is being executed. In most cases, you'll be able to stay. Here's what to expect during the remediation process. Step 1. Locate the affected areas and isolate with containment barriers. Step 2. Equipment installation. This equipment will help with making the mold dormant, getting rid of the mold spores in the air. Step 3. Only certain projects may require demolition, but drywall is usually removed roughly 80% of the time. More demolition, more mold. Proper material disposal and cleaning is a strict standard to upkeep properties. In the Step 4 sequence, areas that cannot be removed like concrete and wall studs, we will vacuum, chemically biowash, wire brush, and use special paint to sterilize the mold. In addition to the prior steps, we will seal off previous areas contaminated. Step 5 in the remediation process will involve setting these machines up and then fogging the area with an antimicrobial solution. Depending on the project, you may need your AC ducts cleaned too. This solution used here is meant to neutralize air particles, leaving your property with fresh, clean air. After this is done, the premises must be left for at least 2 hours. Expect an air scrubber to be present, roughly 24 to 48 hours minimum before the final mold test. The final mold test is known as the PRV. Passing this test means your property is completely remediated of mold. Mold spores are in an acceptable range. No visible mold equals happy customers.